Welcome back guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful little diary. Take a sheet and fold the paper like I am doing. Cut it and fold it to make pages of the diary. Do the same with another strip. Stick both together. Apply glue on the one side of the strip and stick it together. Our pages are ready. Let's cover it. I am using a thick yellow sheet to make a cover of the diary. Is not it looking cute? Let's make it more cute. Yes, a cute and colorful unicorn. I hope you guys like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.